Mĩhang'o ya igeranio cia arutwo a gredi ya gatandatũ na iria cia gredi ya kenda ĩrugũrĩtio guothe bũrũri-inĩ rũcinĩ rwa mũthenya wa Jumatatũ, igeranio iria cikũgiritania arutwo matanyihiire milioni 2.4.
KPSEA, we have 32,843 centers with 1,298,089 candidates. KJSEA, we have 24,366 centers with a total number of candidates of 1,130,669.
Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya githomo ikiuga ni magathikite mitaratara mirumu ya kugitira igeranio ici hamwe na kiria gya KCSE na watho wa kugiria thimu ceceni-ini cia igeranio na urathingatithio.
NEC is piloting smart digital padlocks in 250 examination storage containers nationwide. These locks are linked to NEC command center, allowing real-time tracking of the exact time each container is opened and locked.
We call upon all our stakeholders, all our teachers and vigilators to ensure that they administer these examinations professionally.
Nerita ria mbere kigeranio gya KJSEA kia gredi ya kenda gigukorwo gigikarirwo na kirakinyanĩrio rungu rwa mitaratara mieru ya uria maratathi macabithĩtio na uria arutwo mabatie kwandika.
KPSEA twina ciana 11,834 na KJSEA twina ciana 11,663.
Tukorwo tukihuthira only pencil itariri kwina answer sheet gukorwo ikimako na pencil na section B iyo ya ku explain gukorwo ikiandikwo na biro. Also ginya composition na insha itariri gukorwo ikiandikwo na biro kuri arutwo wa grade 9.
Each structured question paper is personalized, bearing the candidate's name, center, and a unique random number. After completion of the exam, the identification section is detached and packed separately, ensuring that examiners do not see candidates' names.
Mugaruna na hau kabere, maabitha a borithi megukorwo makigiritania ugitiri-ini wa kigeranio gya KCSE 2 na arutani a thukuru cia muthingi nio mehokeirwo kurugamirira igeranio ciothe irathi-ini.
Equally, we'll still use the same primary school teachers to invigilate the KCSE when it begins in full next week.
Kigeranio gya KJSEA ni gya kurugia arutwo a mbere rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBE gikira-ini gya senior kuma junior secondary.
As these learners are sitting for their summative assessment this morning, they already have their 40%. What they are looking for is only 60%.
In senior school, grade 10, we have 2.4 million spaces against 1.1 million learners. So we have prepared everything. We have prepared a digital system to ensure that there's smooth transition.
Irifotera Inoro TV, leto lya kwani wa Gui wa Mwangi.